What's going on, crypto people? Welcome back to another video. Alright, I did want to put out a video about Bitcoin. I haven't done a Bitcoin update video in a while, so I know we are in this ascending wedge channel right now, and I just wanted to give my predicaments on what I think could be taking place right now, and whether or not we're going to break bearish or bullish out of here. So it does look like we kind of came out of the channel a little bit, but we are getting a retest back up into that area of confluence in the channel. So as we can see here on our SR, we are trending below the VWAP right now. So that is a bearish sign. And then it does look like it came back up to retest, but it doesn't look like it wanted to continue in an upwards pattern. So it's interesting. I think we'll probably come back up into the channel for a little bit, but then maybe come back down. Let's go into our hourly. Just check out what's going on here. So our hourly is looking like it wants to come down as well too. Our 15-minute did look like it was bottoming out, but the red money flow is kind of coming into a red area here. So that means we see this red money flow turn red and then break down below this. I'm currently using our Bybit testnet right now, and that's how I'm practicing my trading. So y'all can get signed up in the link in the description below. But Bybit does allow you to use their testnet. So what you can do is sign up with the link down in the description below, and then you can come here and talk to support and ask them how to get signed up for the testnet. So right now my plan is to try and play this breakout on the testnet and maybe just short to see what happens. Let's see. Take a look at our 2 hour. 2 hour looks like it's trying to fall off a little bit as well. We do have kind of a big cut here in the blue wave pattern. So yeah, it's looking like we could come down a little bit here. And let's just get a price range from our breakpoint here. Let's go to our percentage price range here. I would say probably about from here to here. It's probably about a 10%. And if we break 10% down from there, put us back maybe about 7K. So like I've been calling for a pullback here, y'all. This could be the pullback that we are expecting. So just a heads up on that. I know volume's kind of low right now because it is the weekend. Yeah. So our CME is closed right now as well. Let's see when I think our CME closed at like 7,800. So yeah, CME closed at 7,800. So that's going to leave a pretty big gap for us there too if we come down, which could then lead us, to go fill the gap back on Monday, or what maybe when we can do some more analysis to see what we think is going to happen. Let's go into our 4 hour here. Our 4 hour does have a red diamond here, so maybe a hint of a little bit of a sell-off. Does look like we pretty extended here on our uptrend blue wave pattern, but we had been in a huge sell-off for a long time. But we'll still take a look at some of our higher time frames to see what's happening. Let's go into our 8 hour. 8 hour does look like it wants to clip down and put in a red dot here. Still red money flow as well. And then our green RSI indicates that we are in a buying zone right now. So that's an interesting sign there. We did have a really nice uptrend, y'all. I mean, this V bottom here was really nice, but I think that because we are in this wedge pattern here, that we could break bearish out of it and maybe come back down and test this this trend line at 7,200 possibly. Let's see if we can hold that. So if y'all are interested, y'all, I am doing a giveaway soon with a Nano or Ledger Nano S. It's one that I had gotten whenever I did our pre-order for the Nano X. But in order for y'all to have a chance to win that, I'm going to need y'all to sign up for the newsletter, and that's the first link down in the description below. So y'all can visit the website CryptoTakeOver.io, get signed up. And also comment down below and tell me that y'all did sign up for the newsletter and what coin review that y'all want me to do next. So if y'all are interested in just buying y'all's Nano Ledger X as well, y'all can use my affiliate link down in the description below. It's an easy way to help support the channel as well. The Nano X's are really nice. I might want to do like a review of it just to show y'all. So if y'all are interested in that, y'all can check that out. Let's go into our 8 hour here. Okay, so we're in the 8 hour right now. Nice uptrending pattern happening, right? But I feel like we need to come back down just a little bit because we are in the red money flow here. And I don't know, someone had commented on another video, is like, how many pullbacks do you need? And guys, that's the thing. Like, I'm overall bullish on Bitcoin, but at the same time, our higher time frames do take take more, you know, time to fulfill. And when I'm looking at some of these higher time frames, they are looking still a little bearish right now. So you can see our 12 hour here is still in our red money flow, and it does look like our VWAP is kind of continuing down. Now we could ride this, you know, here on our 0 pivot point and continue upwards. Let's just take a zoom in here and see what's happening. So I mean, this was a really sold off area here too, but the fact that we're still in this red money flow still indicates to me that we're gonna have some sell-off potential. Our RSI was indicating that we were overbought a little bit too here, and that now we are in a kind of an oversold pattern. So if this RSI crosses back the other way, it'll turn red, and that'll indicate that people are starting to sell off. So right now, it still looks like there's a lot of, you know, our red money flow is basically saying that we've been in a downwards trend, but then our RSI is telling us that it's a good time to buy, basically. So let's take a look at our 1 day. Our 1 day, obviously curving up here. So slight pullback, maybe like in the mid time frame right now, probably over the weekend and maybe into like Monday or something like that. We could see this break bearish, but then our 2 day just had a small green dot put in as well. I did want to take a look back over here to see what our prices were saying at about our big green dots on our 2 day. And yeah, as y'all can see, like there was a lot of, even in our bear market that we had, there was a lot of 2 day big green dots taking place as well. I am curious though what our Cipher A was kind of telling us about some of these higher time frames as well. So right now nothing is really popping up on Cipher A too much with these higher time frames. I do have some trend reversal here and indicating some bullish closes, but what I really like to be acknowledged of is to see what our higher time frames, like our 12 hour to our 1 day, are saying about Cipher A. Let's take a look at our 3 day, guys. And so this is what I've been waiting for, and it does look like our 3 day has hit with a bullish divergence. So this is a good turnaround point for us, to be honest, right? And honestly, I feel like if we have one more dip, that will probably be the final dip. And so our 3 day is looking substantially bullish right now, which is a good sign. But I still think that our lower time frames and the wedge that we are in right now could still signify a little bit of a sell-off over the weekend probably, and then we'd be able to step in and make our new approach probably back up to 10K, and maybe even a little bit further than that. And it's really just going to play out to see what exactly happens here. So we still need to do some more analysis on this, y'all, but like our 5 day and 6 day are probably not going to give us that big green dot like we wanted. Could be wrong though, but it doesn't look like it's going to give us that big green dot like we wanted. So yeah, potential rally back up to 10K, maybe even back up to that 13K possibly. So maybe some longs could be put in here as well, and that could be an overall turnaround for us. We're really gonna have to see how this wants to play out, but our 3-day is looking pretty bullish, and I know CryptoFace likes to go off at his 3-day also chart. So let's take a look at our weekly. Yeah, and I think that right now we're really trying to move into this green territory on our weekly, our green money flow. But as you can see, we are still kind of in a downwards trend on our weekly. But it looks like the VWAP's starting to level out a little bit too, getting ready to make a turnaround. So good times await, definitely. Take a look at our monthly real quick. So what we really want to see here on our monthly is to put in that green dot. And I think that could possibly play out towards the end of December. We really just want to see that green dot put in and continue to move back to the upside. If we do have a substantial move after this weekend, probably into next week, so we could have a little bit of a pullback, maybe down to that 73, maybe not even that low, to be honest, maybe to like the 75-ish area, and then we start to see some movement probably by next month. That'll be able to put in a green dot for us and probably continue this upwards pattern here as well. So with that being said, y'all, I appreciate y'all coming back to the channel. Like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell. I hope y'all are enjoying these Market Cipher update videos. If y'all want me to go over any coins, please leave a comment down below and tell me which coins y'all want me to review. I'm going to be doing the Ledger Nano S giveaway at probably about 500 subs or so. But go ahead and get signed up for the newsletter so that way you're already eligible to participate. And real quick, if y'all want to check out the Brave browser, that's the only browser that I really use to browse the web right now, and I can earn BAT token by clicking on ads. Y'all can get signed up down below. And also, if y'all are interested in mining crypto from another web browser, not one that I really browse on, but one that I just have running in the background, y'all can check that link down in the description below. It's called CryptoTab. And other than that, y'all, that's about it. So I hope y'all have a wonderful evening. I hope y'all are enjoying the holidays and spending time with the family, and really just keeping your mind at ease, you know, in these markets right now. So I know they can be a little difficult, and we all have our struggles, y'all, but I hope that y'all are staying positive over there and keeping a good mindset. So with that being said, I'll talk to y'all later. Y'all have a good one. Bye.